had a meeting with a few pastor friends. Then after the meeting, the Spirit of God began to minister to me. And I'm here to share with you what the Spirit of God told me. I am Reverend Elijah, the senior pastor of the Lamp of God City International. If you're a child of God and you love to listen to the word of God, then you are at the right place. It is part of life and also a very painful experience where people you love so much live your life. It breaks you and it creates some wounds that never get healed. And that is why I am here to encourage you so that you can still lift up your eyes unto God. For Jesus is the author and the finisher of our faith. If God has really begun to do something with you, then bear in mind that he will certainly bring it to accomplishment. In Job 30 verse 26, when I looked for good, then evil came unto me, and when I waited for light, there came darkness. I would like us to understand that there is nothing we have that cannot be taken, and there's nothing that is alive that will not die. So if anybody or if anything leaves your hand, are you going to follow the dead to the grave? No, you need to encourage yourself in the Lord. There is someone listening to me right now. You are so broken because of something you have lost in the past. You are down and you have lost connection with your God. You hardly pray, you hardly fast because the many things you have suffered has destroyed you. No, whatever you are going through should rather make you better. Joseph in the Bible went through a whole lot, but by the end of the day, Joseph became the prime minister in Egypt. He became a better person. In as much as he has suffered all the many bad things, the same way I say to you, you can become better and better off. There are many who are still in pain. There are many who are so broken that they don't even know how to bounce back. They don't know how to pick up their life again. But I am praying with you that the Spirit of God will locate you wherever you are and make something good out of the mess you have been through. I don't know what you are suffering, but may God restore your life and reconnect you back to himself. If you are not connected to God, Satan takes advantage. Because you lost a business, you lost a contract, you lost some good friends, does not mean God has given up on you. That might be just the beginning. If one door closes, another opens. God is on your side to do you good. I encourage you to just get yourself connected back to God. Don't throw in the towel. Shake off the dust, clean yourself again, and move to church and start hearing of God again, so you can get yourself connected. When you get connected to God, favor will be restored. Power, love, divine abilities will be restored in your life. My name is Reverend Elijah. I use this opportunity to invite you to join our